Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, if the chart of gold is open in front of you right now, then probably you can guess very well the number of trading opportunities are very less right now. We were waiting for the testimony of Jerome Powell, and yes, testimony came, and sadly market did not react. Gold did not react much. Dollar weakens as Powell's testimony offers little surprise. The dollar languished near a 1-month low against a basket of currencies on Thursday after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell stuck to his usual messaging at his semi-annual testimony, offering little room for surprise, as a result of which we saw big red candles on DXY, and right now dollar index is standing at 102.02, or on the level from where it tried to recover. So if DXY breaks this level, then yes, further downside is possible. But if we look at the structure of DXY, then we can clearly see that how market is falling, forming lower lows and lower highs. So after a fall, good possibility of some recovery, and the level of 102 or around 102, market will face some resistance. Okay, so this is the best place to plan your trades when DXY will again go down, when market will face some resistance around 102. Right now there's a good chance, looking at the present structure of DXY, that yes, DXY will break the level very soon. DXY is not very positive right now, and if you look at the economic calendar, then we can see a series of events. So be careful, and there's a high chance that market will remain like this. Whenever there is an important event, or there are events lined up, market prefers to stay silent. So today there may not be much moves in the market. So if you have any pending work at home, you can also do it, because see, as a trader you need to understand that every day you cannot get equal amount of trades. Some days will be good, some days will be bad. So if you're a trader, then obviously you need to wait for the right opportunity. We are traders, not gamblers. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and yesterday gold made a low of 1919. From there was some immediate recovery on the chart of gold, and right now we can see that gold is standing at 1933. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that gold is inside a downward channel. Apart from this, we have got nothing on the 4-hour chart, at least for the day. Okay, because if you are a swing trader, then you can expect the market to take a buy here, to take a sell here, but for day trading purpose, there is nothing on the 4-hour time frame. As a result, we are moving to 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we have some levels, but if the volatility of the market remains like this, then obviously we are not going to get any position for the day. So first of all, if gold tries to recover, then we have some resistance around 1944.50 to 1946.50. This is the first resistance on the chart of gold, and in this volatility we can definitely expect the market to face some resistance. You can see here previously this level acted as support, so this will be acting as resistance right now, so we can look for a sell. In case market breaks 1944.45 level, the next resistance will be around 1949 to 1950. So this is the second resistance on the chart of gold. Wondering why they are resistance? Let me show you. Okay, first of all, the level of 1944.50 to 1946.50, here we can see that we have previous support working as resistance. Along with that, we also have Fibonacci 50% retracement level. We are expecting Fibonacci to work, because here we can see Fibo 38.2 is working. So as a result, it is a confirmation that our setup is correct. Okay, so we are expecting 45, 46 to work as resistance, because the volatility of the market is low right now. And around 1949 to 1950, listen to me carefully, not only we have Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level, but we also have the 200 moving average. Okay, so as a result, 1949-50 also seems to be a good resistance right now, and 1950 is a even number, round number, so it's also a psychological resistance. So these are the two resistances that I see on the chart of gold before news. After news, if market shows extreme volatility, obviously you need to follow the trend of the market. Levels will not work because fundamentals will be dominating the market after the news. But before news, especially by the European session, if you see recovery on the market, these are the two levels where you can look for some selling opportunity. My dear friends, world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct these workshops in both Hindi and English language. Separate classes are conducted for Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop. Yes, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can see here, these are the topics that you'll be learning in 3 days. In 1 month support, I also conduct extra 4 classes. So total 7 classes, and these are the topics for the weekly classes. Everything is mentioned on the website, but I would like to mention that this workshop is not for complete beginners and new traders. If you're struggling with the market, if you're unable to make money, then only you should sign up. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And there is also a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. You can see here 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Yes, the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. After the 3 days class, you will receive all these benefits. And the best part is the fees. You can see here, it's only $15. $15 for everything, and rupees 1,000 for Indians. The dates are 5th, 6th and 7th of July for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8th, 9th and 10th. Separate dates, and I record each and every session so that even if you miss, you don't miss anything. Okay. And if you're looking for longer relationship, if you're looking for some personal classes, then you can also sign up for annual membership, semi-annual membership, okay, available at very affordable cost. If you're frustrated with your trading right now, if you're looking to scale up your game, then definitely you should join the Pro Trader program, or you can definitely check out the Pro Trader program and you won't be disappointed. Okay. So the link is in the description. Everything is mentioned on the website. Bye bye, take care. And if you're thinking about support right now, then support is a little bit difficult here, because we can see here 1919 is there. But to be honest, as the market is in a downward channel, okay, it is quite skeptical. If the volatility of the market is low, then you can expect 1919 to 1920 work as the next support. Otherwise, things are not very positive in case of support. Okay, and my dear friends, if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, then we can see the market is flat on the 15 minutes time frame. There is a selling opportunity below 1930 level, but quite risky. By the European session, if market breaks 1930 level, you can look for a risky sell position. But if you're a beginner, new trader, it is better to avoid only. As I said, there's a high chance that the volatility of the market will remain like this. So be careful, okay, and be extra careful after the news, because market may show some extreme volatility. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority always. Bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management.